And we are finished with the cosmetic restoration of EJ&E 765 in downtown Gary, Indiana. We, as you saw from the before video, we took the trees down. There used to be 2 big trees here, or 3 actually, blocking the view. Took them down. We fixed all the rust and put a great coat of paint on it, industrial epoxy paint. So taking a quick walk around, you can see we got the rust taken care of on these cylinder heads. The steam valve on top and the power cylinder on the bottom were all rusted out. We had Brian's Welding come and take those off and fix them up for us. Weld replacement material on. Up here, took care of the rust there. Looks nice and pretty. This one, these cylinders, as you saw in the before video, were really rusty. Again, Brian's Welding did a tremendous job. And then we put the and then we were ready to start the painting process. So we found Paint Master Pro here in the Gary area to do all this. It's all spray painted with industrial epoxy paint, so it should really hold up well over the years. When they were power washing, big chunks of latex paint came off, so that wasn't the way to do it. You can climb up in here, and the cab is actually approachable. Now, here's the cab. We got 2 seats, and where the engineer and the coal tender went. Here's the tender car. Back here you can see the auger. We dug out, removed the tree, we dug out the auger, so that coal auger would run and feed the coal into the firebox. Here's the U.S. Steel sign. Last time it was renovated was in 1992. So continuing on from the cab, we've got the rest of the beautiful paint job. But the capstone of this whole thing, we restored the 765 that was on the back. Hopefully I'll put a video or no, a photo of the original 1962 donation where this was in place, and we had Paint Master Pro restore it for us. Just looks fabulous. So come down to Gateway Park in Gary, Indiana and take a look.